This is the best chicken salad recipe you will find on the internet today. Do well to save this recipe and try it out. It is so delicious. First, we're going to marinate our chicken with some spices, seasonings and herbs, and I'm going to list all of that in my caption below, so do check that out. Make sure every part of this chicken breast gets all of that spice goodness, okay? And then marinate it for 30 minutes before you start to grill on a grill pan on a low heat. You're going to do this on a low heat to ensure that the chicken cooks all through and then it looks this good. Cover it in a foil to retain its juice and flavor for at least 6 to 7 minutes before you begin cutting it up, okay? For our dressing, we're using some mayo and soya spice. Give that a very good mix till well combined and set it aside. Now, you're going to chop up your chicken that you covered in foil earlier, because at this point it has retained all its juice, so it is not dry. For plating our chicken salad, we're going to have some lettuce, some cucumber, some carrots, some cabbage. I cut up my carrots and cucumber very nicely with a crinkle cutter, and then I went in with some sweet corn, some tomato, avocados and hard-boiled eggs. Now let me tell you, you can completely customize this with any fruits or vegetables that you like. I added some cashew nuts for crunch and nuttiness, and then I went in with my grilled chicken. You can have this with or without the dressing. Let me know which you like, and let me know if you're going to try this recipe. It's absolutely delicious. Bye.